Hello, hi, I am Shweta from the Battery Magazine and we are at Intersolar 2026 and we are at eVolt booth. And with us we have Mr. Chaitanya Tulsian from eVolt. Welcome to the interview.
Thank you.
So how is Intersolar 2026 treating you?
It's our first time exhibiting because we are a new company, but the experience has been crazy. We didn't expect such a good footfall. A lot of people have come in. A lot of people are trying to get to know what exactly a BESS system is. So hopefully we should have a good conversion after this Inter Solar.
What are the trends you are observing at this event and what kind of thing you are observing?
So the trends that we observed during this expo is that a lot a lot of people exactly don't know what exactly a BESS is, but they started hearing about it. They like it is solar back in 2020, sorry, back in 2013 or 12 when people were hearing that something like solar is coming in the market, but they exactly didn't knew how exactly it is going to help them or something like that. So I think the BESS people have the same conception right now that they're hearing that something like BESS is coming in the market, but what exactly their use case is going to be and how exactly it's going to be helpful for an industrialist or someone, they're still trying to figure it out.
Can you know current operations and food offerings in BESS and hybrid scooters storage?
Yeah. So we make battery packs from 5 kWh till 5 MWh. So basically from 5 kilowatt per hour to 5 megawatt per hour. Our factory is being set up in Bavla, Ahmedabad. We are setting up a 3 gigawatt factory. It should be ready by July of this year. And so right now we are not assembling our own inverters. We are getting it third party from some other companies under our own brand name because our primary focus, we don't want to shift our focus right now and we want to focus mainly on battery because we think that battery has the best future when compared to other components. So we are using top tier cells from China. We are using cells from EVE, and then we are offering a 7-year warranty, whereas everyone else is offering a 5-year warranty. So we are doing a 2-year more warranty so that people can actually start trusting us because so a lot of companies that are already doing BESS, all of them have a past in energy sector, whereas Enerveda Vault is comparatively a new company. So for anyone to trust they should get something extra in return. So we are giving that 2-year extra warranty in return to everyone so that people can actually trust us. And we are a local manufacturer. We are not getting the battery packs directly from China. So in case if there is some issue with the battery, we are always there for them. They don't have to wait for a week or 10 days for their Chinese counterparts to send their service team. We have an in-house service team, so like we can try to solve their problem within 24 to 48 hours. So basically, what we are trying to differentiate on the service part and on the warranty part. So our our main selling point is gonna be after sales services.
So what customer segments are you targeting or prioritizing? Residential, utility scale, or C&I, and why?
So we have started with residential and CNI for now because for us to like start targeting utility scale, we are gonna need a massive data bank. And right now we have only deployed a few batteries. So once when we reach a minimum threshold is when we will start targeting utility because we also know that the utility is the place where we can make our major money in. But so that's why right now we are doing residential and CNI. So we are doing small systems and medium sales systems. We'll start applying for government tenders also, but that is our plan for phase two. So basically, we'll start doing that in 2027, start of 2027.
Our partnership, technology, innovation, or localization strategy.
Can you repeat?
Our partnership, technology, innovation, or localization strategy. Influencing.
So our growth mantra is that we want to build a trusted brand and we want to grow rapidly fast. Something like Raison did with solar panels. When Raison came into business in 2021-22, it was also a very new company, but now they're heads up with Adani and Bari. So we want to do something similar with Dye. they are a massive brand. They have like 70-80% of the European market. So our aim is that we wanna like compete them. We cannot compete with them on prices because they have a massive scale and we're just starting. So how we'll compete with, and we are trying to sell that make in India concept because our batteries are 100% assembled in India. We are not buying anything apart from the cells from China. So that's our local mantra for now. We wanna be one of the biggest companies in BESS. So right now we are also doing solar EPC along with BESS, but we wanna keep doubling down on BESS sector because that is where we think the actual growth is. By 2030, we wish to deploy more than 300 to 400 megawatt of energy MWH of BESS systems every year. So we want to reach that scale so that we can start setting up our second factory. So our plan is that by 2029, mid of 20 to end of start of 2030, we'll also get into battery recycling because we believe that once the BESS industry reaches a growth stage and then it gets stagnant, a lot of people would want to get their batteries recycled as well. So our plan for post 2030 is that we want to get into battery recycling. Till that time, we want to double down on ESS manufacturing.
Like what products you are showcasing at Intersolar 2026?
So we are showcasing only BESS products right now. So we have a 25 kilo kWh system that is present at the expo. We were planning to put a bigger 1 megawatt system, but the organizer was like that it is a bit risky because it can get hazardous because it is lithium ion cell. So if there is some issue, then we don't want to take that risk. So right now we are showcasing a 25 kWh battery along with a PCS system and a air cooling system.
Really to listen with us with the Battery Magazine audience and wish you all the very best for Intersolar 2026 and the whole 2026.
Thank you so much.